All right, what's going on? Doing a meatloaf cook-off against one of my friends. Say hey, Nick.
Hey.
And got a couple of my other friends. He also has a channel. I might put him in the description. I haven't decided yet. I already made mine earlier because I forgot to record the video. He's making his right now. He's using like significantly more ingredients than I do.
It ain't cheap ass.
Yeah, this is like not cheap, which is like the entire basis of this channel.
Yeah.
All right, we're back. You need to switch the camera around.
And here you got some onions, some breadcrumbs, some pepper, salt, Italian seasoning, garlic powder. All right. Put that in there. All right. Let's see what's next.
I see you got Worcestershire.
Got Worcestershire. Make sure I don't put too much. All right. Make sure you got a little bit of love. A little bit of love. A little bit of love. Put let's see here. I'm getting nervous, man. I'm not good with this thing. All right. Do that. Put that in there.
Are you going off a recipe that you have on your phone, or just?
Yeah, I keep it in my notes. Alright. Put a little more for some love in there. Alright. I like to keep this and that separate. Alright, put that there. And we're gonna do some milk. Milk. What's this? 1/3, 2/3. Alright. Throw that in there. Do another little half. Alright, that's good. Okay. And then we're gonna mix that all together. Just like that. Alright. It's all mixed up. Now, oh, you got the oven preheated for your stuff, Justin? It's 350. You're keeping it in there?
Bottom.
All right. Bottom.
No, I'm saying the top. I'm using. I just. Oh wait.
I need it at 350.
That's fine.
I keep it there. Yeah. All right. So to take the meat, meatloaf, all natural ground chuck, 80% lean, 20% fat.
Okay, 80/20. That's not bad.
Throw that.
I use 90/10 for mine, and you could definitely tell.
That's for the topping. All right. We got that in there. We're gonna add our mixture in here.
Left it in there a little long. I forgot it was there to be honest.
All right. That's all set.
Yeah, the disc is like pretty stretched out.
Grab some gloves. Mix it around. All right. Put these on.
If you guys remember anything from like when I made meatloaf the other day, y'all know I don't like use gloves to mix the meat or anything.
Are you posting this, Roger?
I'm recording it because like I don't.
In uniform?
Yeah, I just didn't bother to take off my gloves. That's all.
Roger. Good copy.
You gotta say hi to the viewers there, Mom.
Damn, that smells good.
Alejandro,
What'd
say hi. I said your first.
You gotta get guest appearance.
Wait, did you say my first name?
Yeah.
Hey, what's
I
up?
told him no. I said first names only.
Okay. Roger. Alex, by the way.
Gloves are a little small, so it's gonna take a second. A little tiny. Got big hands.
You know what they say about big hands? They have a hard time fitting in small gloves.
I didn't do it. I'm gonna mix that around real good. Like so.
Hell yeah. You're like a pro. So what do you have in there so far?
We got some onions again. We got
There's
some
mixed
eggs.
onion, breadcrumbs, meat, onion powder. No, garlic powder, right?
Garlic powder. Hey, come on over here.
Yeah.
Pop that cap.
Come on, sous chef.
Give it a little
Get
dab.
to it, buddy.
A little dab of seasoning in there. There you go. A little more. That's good right there. Give a little dab of garlic powder too.
Hurry up, sous chef.
Just a little dab. That comes out fast.
They're
Just a
paying you
little
by the
dab.
minute here, bud.
That's good. Perfect. Got a little
To be fair, we're also only at 5 minutes.
Paying you by the second.
Ellie, if you can.
That'd be insane.
Come over around and mix that, Alright, you want to avoid over mixing as well. That right there. There's our, a little more. That right there should be A-okay. Now we're going to take that 2.25 pounds of meat. I'm going to stick that in there.
It's a lot of meat.
Alright. We're going to kind of push it down, get it spread out. Alright.
I've never had meatloaf.
Really? Alright.
We're lucky we're recording this, so I already said something. It tastes like booty.
Alright, now you take the gloves off. Now we're gonna make the topping.
What's that?
Brown sugar.
Oh. Is it supposed to be sweet?
All I need is the later on.
How you get it? Alright, so we got, for the top, we got some ketchup. Alright.
Make sure you add that part out, Rogers.
I actually wasn't
Put it
listening.
on your YouTube.
He restarted.
Can I get some Worcestershire?
Yeah.
Put a little dabble of
Some Worcestershire?
Worcestershire.
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 Alright, we're gonna do a little of that.
Worcester.
What even is this?
I don't know, but it's delicious.
I love Worcestershire.
Me too. Tablespoon there. Do a little more. Look, and I don't like to do too much. I don't like overpowering it.
Worcestershire sauce gets its unique flavor from vinegar, molasses, anchovies,
A
garlic,
little more in there.
tamarind, chili pepper, sugar, and salt.
And then
Wow.
a little hint of brown sugar in there to really get it going here. All right,
You're about to be famous.
one, a little more in there. You're supposed to do tablespoon, but I just like to do it. Not
Just a hair more?
Just a hint. I'm a big fan of ketchup, so just put a little in there. All right, that's good. Now we're gonna mix that all together with a spoon over in the my kitchen. No spoons.
Fun.
I ran out of nicotine. Resorting to your caffeine pouches. How do they taste? Did you put it in yet? I haven't
Mixing that up right there. Give that a little smell.
You're not sleeping on my couch anymore.
It smells
Right,
like
I'm sleeping in
ketchup.
your
I'm gonna
bed.
add a little bit of ketchup to that.
Is it good?
Balance the flavor out.
Are you gonna stay both days? So you don't have to sleep. Why are you leaving? No, I have a mattress, like a full-size mattress. You just put out in the living room. Yo, sleep over. No, yeah, like I have bed sheets and stuff, so you can just sleep on a mattress. You can have a movie night.
Another dab of Worcestershire. Actually, you know what? We're good on that. We're gonna call it good. I'm all about the touch. All right. And now,
Be one with the meatloaf.
yeah, one with the meatloaf. I'm just
Here's
gonna
the pour.
just dabble that in there.
Is that ketchup?
No.
It's a mix.
It's mostly ketchup.
Glaze.
So I put barbecue on mine.
I don't like ketchup.
All right. And we're just gonna
Well, you don't get a
spread
piece
that
anyways.
evenly on the
You
top.
already missed it. What do you mean I missed it? So? I mean, I've had them before. I said they're good.
Oh.
Yeah, on this morning. The aftertaste is kind of odd. Like when you're gonna take it out, but they taste good.
All right. I like a thin layer. I don't like too
Does he
much
make
on
this
there.
out?
You're just me. I like raw.
Does it make you happy?
Yeah.
He's been preparing for this moment his entire life.
He was prepping before he even
I
brought it
will
to
say Nick does all the cooking.
Yeah, he's good at it.
Very good.
No, there's not a problem with that. I do all the cooking myself.
It's kind of hot.
I will say.
All right, there we go.
steak, for it being on stove and in the oven, like the best filet mignon I've ever had.
Really?
Yes.
All right. I'm very particular, so this is what I like it to look like. If you guys want
Really?
take a look at that.
It's all good though. Like,
Even it over, even it a little more. Fill in a couple gaps. Right? Just like that. Bring it down a little bit. And that's gonna be it for the prep. So now we're gonna throw it in the oven at 350 degrees, and we'll see you guys. All right, it's out of the oven. There she is. Just gonna drain some grease. So you know it's cooked good. You got all that grease in there. And drain that down. All right. One more.
You should be able to just use the tongs to plop it out now. There's a cutting board.
I'm gonna keep it in here. And
Oh, you're gonna cut it
I'm gonna keep it for the rest of the day. But I'll scoop some out onto the cutting board for some samples.
up. Get some pictures.
All right. There. Yeah, you can get aluminum foil out of that. Right there. And then I need a knife. Get a knife.